Hello! This video is going to show you how to create an OnShape account. Start by opening a new web browser tab and type in onshape.com. Here you can choose Create a Student Account. You will need to type in your first name, your last name, and your school email address. If you don't use your school email address, you're not going to get your assignments, so please do use your school email address for your OnShape account. Go ahead and follow the prompts, and you'll find that it takes you to the OnShape dashboard. I'm going to sign into my own account here. And on the dashboard, what you need to do is find this logo here, the Learning Center. It kind of looks like the profile of someone's head with some gears, I think, showing how they're thinking and learning. So click on Go to the Learning Center, and there you can search for a tutorial that will introduce you to OnShape. It is called Introduction to Parametric Feature-Based CAD. I'm just going to type Introduction Feature-Based CAD. CAD stands for Computer Assisted Design. So here's the tutorial. I've already completed it, but when you complete it, please take a screenshot of your certificate and you can submit it in Schoology under task 24. The tutorial takes about 20 to 30 minutes, and you can go ahead and just watch some videos, take a quiz, I think, and you'll learn the basics of the OnShape interface. I hope this has helped you learn how to create an OnShape account.